Music has been an indispensable part of our lives, relaxing the soul and mind, giving an utmost sense of pleasure and satisfaction. Earlier, phonographs were used for playing music. Everyone sat and enjoyed. Later, CDs and cassettes replaced the bulky and huge phonographs. iPods and Walkmans introduced a portable music system. Now, to address the needs of listeners, music has moved to cloud. It is readily available, anywhere and anytime, making sharing faster and on the go. Embrace the change and go digital.